Hello everyone! Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. Today, we will learn about rational equations. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Rational expressions are expressions that can be written as quotient of two polynomials, like this one, 3x plus 7 over x plus 1, or even this one, x squared minus 9 over x plus 3. Rational expressions are sometimes used to describe functions like f of x equal to 2x squared minus 7 over x minus 2. Today, we will learn how to solve equations involving rational expressions. Before we proceed, let's understand the difference between an equation and an expression. An equation contains an equal sign, but an expression does not. This is an equation, while this one is an expression. To solve a rational equation, our main goal is to eliminate the denominator of each term, so we can simplify the equation and solve the unknown. To eliminate the denominator is simply multiplying both sides of the equation by their LCD. In this equation, our LCD here is 8. So we multiply each of the term by the LCD, which is 8. Okay, upon multiplying each term by the LCD, here for the first term, we divide 8 by 4. So we have 2 multiplied by 7x minus, if we multiply 8 times 3 and divide it by 2, we have 24 divided by 2, that's 12, equal to, okay, 8 and 8 cancels out, leaving us with just 5x. So you notice we eliminated all the denominator, so we can simply solve and simplify. Okay, so 2 times 7x gives us 14x minus 12 equals 5x. So we transpose 5x to the other side and also negative 12 on the right side. So we do that simply by subtracting 5x on both sides and adding 12 on both sides. Okay, once we do that, we eliminate 5x on the right side and also negative 12 and positive 12 on the left side. We subtract 5x from 14, so we have 9x. Equal to 12. Okay, divide everything by 9. So our x is equal to 12 over 9, or if we reduce that, we divide everything by 3, we have 4 over 3. And this is our final answer. Okay, let's take another example. 1 over t minus 3 plus 2 over t is equal to 5 over 3t. So let's get our LCD. Our LCD here would be 3t times the quantity t minus 3. Okay, so let's multiply all the terms on both sides of the equation by the LCD. Remember, our goal is to eliminate the denominator. So if we multiply each of the term by the LCD, look what happens. T minus 3 cancels with 3 minus t in the bottom, leaving us with just 3t. Okay, times 1, simply 3t. Next, plus, okay, here we eliminate t in the denominator, so we cancel that, so leaving us with just 3 times 2 gives us 6 times t minus 3 equals, okay, with this, we eliminate 3t in the denominator with that of 3t in the numerator, leaving us with just 5 multiplied by t minus 3. Okay, so this one looks simpler now. So we distribute 6 on each of the term inside the parentheses. So we have, so just copy 3t plus 6t minus 18 equal to, we also distribute 5 on each of the term inside the parenthesis. That gives us 5t minus 15. Okay, let's combine like terms first in the left side of the equation. We have 90 minus 18 equal to 5t minus 15. Now, here, what we can do is we put all the unknown together, all the t's together. So we'll have to bring 5t on the other side of the equation and also negative 18 on the other side. So we do that simply by subtracting 5t on the right, okay, on both sides, and then adding 18 on both sides as well. This one is eliminated, and so is this. So 90 minus 5t gives us 4t equal to negative 15 plus 18 gives us 3. And we divide all of them by 4 to solve for t. So t now is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, for our last example, we have 5 over x plus 3 minus 4 over 3x equal to 7 over x squared plus 3x. Okay, notice the denominator here. Our factors are x and x plus 3. Okay, and then we have to get our LCD in order for us to eliminate the denominator. Our LCD here will be 3x times x plus 3. So we multiply each of the term by our LCD. Okay, and then let's simplify. So we can cancel x plus 3 here in the numerator and also in the denominator, leaving us with 5, and then multiply it by 3x. So that gives us 15x. Minus, okay, let's eliminate what we can eliminate here on the next term. So we can cancel 3x, all right? And so we have 4 multiplied by the binomial x plus 3 equal to, all right, for the last one here on the right side, we can eliminate x plus 3 and also x, leaving us with just 3 times 7. That gives us 21. Distribute 4 on each of the term inside the parenthesis gives us, okay, let's copy first 15x minus 4x minus 12 equals 21. Okay, simplifying by combining like terms, we have 11x minus 12 equal to 21. Okay, transposing or subtracting or adding 12 on both sides. This one is eliminated, so we have 11x equal to 33. And divide everything by 11. X is equal to 3. And that's our final answer. Now, you can check whether your answer is correct simply by substituting 3 on the original equation and then find out if that is equal to this expression over here. So remember, our goal is to eliminate the denominator by multiplying it by its LCD, just like what we did here. And once we eliminated it, we can simply distribute, combine like terms, simplify, and solve for the unknown. I hope this helps you understand how to solve rational equations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.